Let's watch keenly. 10 flag bearers together in unity are putting up Nigeria in one fold. This is an indication that together we can do it. Together we can win more. The space is big enough to take everyone. Bring your intellect, bring your ideas, bring your suggestions. Together we can make Nigeria beautiful. We shall fold it beautifully together and present it as one indivisible nation. We are told that whatever we do here, we'll try as much as possible to practice what we preach, which is unity. Beginning from our uniform. If only we can all behave like this, orderly, with courtesy, everything we do well for us. It takes the folded flag and presents to the Chief Judge as a mark of conclusion of the oath of allegiance taken by corps members.
At the end of the oath taking, I have your permission to march off representatives of 10 Plateau, Your Lordship.
Permission sought, permission granted. Thank you. At this point, let us clap for Justice Zainab Abdul Kadir Rashid as she returns back to her seat. Thank you very much. We appreciate you for a job well done. We truly appreciate this. Thank you very much. Thank you, flag bearers, for a